Good morning, traders. Welcome to followmetrades.com, Real Traders Club live session on Monday, April 24th, 2023. Weekend's over. It's Monday. The market's open. Let's get to work. See what's going on here. So we start with the CNBC dashboard snapshot. Green across the board. Dow's up just a little bit, 39 points, 0.12%. S&P about the same, 0.16. NASDAQ a little bit less, 0.04. Of course, we're in earnings season. Here's the big headline. Coca-Cola earnings beat estimates, fueled by price hikes, higher demand. It's up, but not very much. So again, earnings are the big news right now. Let's go see who's moving the market. Market movers. Top gainers. Oh, look, First Republic Bank. 5.53%. What happened to the banking crisis? Oh, yeah, that. Albemarle, Medtronic, Berkeley. Oh, Coke's not on the list, even though they had the big headline. Not up that much. First Solar announced earnings, and apparently they weren't good. They're down 5.6%. Beatrice, Moderna, Weyerhaeuser, Enphase. So Solar not doing so well, despite Shiv's strong endorsement. Still fairly new sector, a little bit volatile. Let's look at the NASDAQ here. Old Dominion Freight. So the winners aren't that big. Packard, Freightliner Trucks, eBay, Netflix, Enduro, Moderna, JD, Enphase are the downers. Biden looks like China companies getting a little pressure this morning. Yeah, I don't see anything super dramatic happening there. In terms of economic reports coming up, today we had consumer confidence came in, as expected. Forecast 104.2 came in 104.1. I'd call that right on the money. New home sales pretty much as expected. Later this week, advanced GDP. So, gross domestic product. Is the economy growing or shrinking? There we go. All right. And employment numbers at the end of the week. So there we go. Let's look at the S&P 500 chart. So you can see we had last week a little pullback down to some support. Friday it was up. Today it's up. And that looks kind of, a little bit like this thing we've been looking at for a long time, right? Kind of a wedge-like formation and kind of breaking out. Should we take that long? What do you think? Maybe. Do we have another leg, like this one, like this one, like this one? Maybe. At least up to this high, maybe up to this prior high at a minimum. Could go smashing through. But short-term trade, that may make sense. So stay tuned for that. And that's really it for the market overview. Not a whole lot going on. Market's not, moving a lot. I think all eyes are on earnings, and kind of a mixed picture. Not as bad as expected. Not great. As we have, we were in a technical recession. So keep watching. All right, that's it for the market overview.